Hello people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to free up space on Android. So first of all, go for your Google Files app, then scroll down, search for your large files here, go for select files. Now go for here three-line option, tap on it, select largest first, then select your largest files from here and just move on trash, and that's how you can free up your space on Android. If you go for largest first, then you can select your unused files and just move them on trash, and that's how you can free up your space on Android. So yeah, that's it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphics design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.